Here are some of the main differences between the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the OnePlus 12, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Display. The Xiaomi 14 Pro has the brightest display among the three, with a peak brightness of 3000 nits. It also has a variable refresh rate of 120 Hz, which can save battery life and improve smoothness. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the OnePlus 12 both have a 120 Hz refresh rate, but the former has a higher resolution of 1440x 3200 pixels, while the latter has a lower resolution of 1080x 2400 pixels. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has the highest resolution primary camera with a 200MP sensor that can capture more details and zoom in further. It also has a 10MP periscope lens that offers up to 100x digital zoom, a 10MP 3x optical lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens 5. The Xiaomi 14 Pro has a 50MP primary camera, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens that can achieve 3.2x optical zoom. It also has a 32MP front camera, which is higher than the 12MP front camera of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The OnePlus 12 has a 64MP primary camera, a 16MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens that can achieve 3x optical zoom. It also has a 16MP front camera. Performance. The Xiaomi 14 Pro and the OnePlus 12 both use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is the latest and most powerful processor for Android phones in 2023. It has a faster CPU speed and a better GPU performance than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that powers the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Xiaomi 14 Pro also has more RAM memory than the other two, with 16 GB, while the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the OnePlus 12 both have